In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace specifically tailored for businesses. Selling on Facebook Marketplace can be a game changer for your business, providing a platform to reach millions of potential customers. Let's walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can take full advantage of this opportunity. We begin our journey by heading over to Facebook. Open up your Facebook account in your preferred browser or app. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a section called Explore. Within this section, you'll need to click on See More. This will expand the menu, revealing more Facebook features for you to explore. In the expanded menu, search for and click on Marketplace. The marketplace is where all the buying, selling, and searching for goods occurs. Now that we're in the marketplace, it's time to start creating your business listing. Look for the option that says Create New Listing. This is where we'll begin building your product's presence on the platform. Select the type of listing you want. This could range from items for sale, vehicles, property rentals, and more, depending on what your business offers. After selecting the listing type, it's crucial to make your product visually appealing. Adding photos is the next step. High quality, well-lit images that highlight your product's features and benefits will help capture potential buyers' attention. Once the photos are ready, it's time to add a title. A short, descriptive, and catchy title can make your listing stand out. Follow this up by setting a price for your item. Be competitive but fair, and maybe do a quick market research to see what similar items are going for. Next, choose the appropriate category for your listing. This helps align your product with what buyers are looking for. Right after that, pick a condition for your item, whether it's new, used, refurbished, or any other option that fits. Now let's move on to adding a detailed description. Provide ample information about what you're selling, including specifications, dimensions, or anything you think could help the buyer make an informed decision. Utilize tags to help increase the visibility of your product to the right audience. Choose a location where the product is based, and if applicable, include the areas you are willing or able to deliver to. Speaking of delivery, decide on the delivery method, whether it's pickup, drop-off, or shipping. Make sure it's clear to your potential buyers how they can receive the purchases. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready, click on Next and then Publish to make your listing go live. Congratulations, your business item is now up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, regular updates and engagement with your listing can increase its visibility and potential sales, so keep an eye on any inquiries and feedback from interested buyers. Happy selling!